Hey y'all, welcome to Snow Blizzard 2016. It's Snowmageddon out here, and we're about to start shoveling now. We'll just give you a quick peek of to see what's going on here before we go out here. The wind is cold. Look how much snow we got there. Last night we shoveled, and it's pretty much covered. Our porch has got snow everywhere, so you can see the wind just coming through. So down the street there, you can see all the snow just billowing out, and there's snow everywhere. See, and they say this is a blizzard, so they're not lying. So
it's like going to Wonderland.
Say hi.
Hi.
Okay. All right. We're gonna put you down for a minute and we'll continue.